Alright, if you're watching this, that means hopefully you've already finished either the entire practice test or at least the first two problems. So I'm going to do the first two problems in this video. This is practice test number 3. So it wants me to graph this line. So when I graph a line, I want to start with the y-intercept. The y-intercept here is -4, so I'm going to find that on the y-axis. -4 on the y-axis is located right there, so I'm going to put a point there. Then I'm going to find the slope. Well, here I just see a negative in front of x, so I know that means -1. Well, I usually want slope to be a fraction, so I can say that -1 is the same thing as -1 over 1. Making a whole number a fraction, I just putting 1 at the bottom. So now I can go start at the point that I just made at -4, and because it's negative, I'm going to go down 1, right 1, and we'll put a point. And I can keep doing this. I can go down 1, right 1 again. Or instead of going down 1, right 1, I could have gone up 1, left 1. And that would put me there. So now I'm going to connect my points and try to make a line. And I get something like that. I notice the stylus of my line's really curvy, but it's supposed to be a straight line going through those points. Like that, if I do it correctly. For number 2, they already give me my line. So we know that we're going to have y equals a slope. Well, I see that my line is going down, so I know my slope is going to be negative. Because I know my slope is negative, I can go ahead and cancel out e and b. Those are not negative slopes. Alright, well, I see that it crosses the y-axis right there at -1. So I know I'm going to have a slope x, and then my y-intercept is -1. Okay, well, since my y-intercept is -1, I cancel out letter D. Well, let's see what my slope is doing. It starts off right here at -1, and then it goes down 1 over 1. Well, if it goes down 1 over 1, that means my rise is -1. My run, goes over 1. Well, -1 over 1 is a slope of -1. So I'm looking for a slope of -1. Well, -1x is the same thing as just -x, or c.